Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Ultra 2 and I'm going to show you how to turn on this watch. If you want to turn on your AMAZFIT watch, you need to press and hold the back button and keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.